Students, this useful video is for grade 11 students. Most of your requests I started doing English medium videos also. So today I'm going to teach 2019 past paper part 1 B part first question. So you should know in part 1 B part, always you should do it on the paper itself, right? 2019 part B part 1, always, not only 2019, in every year if you see the past paper you will be able to get it. The first question, most the fraction questions. Sometimes the fraction questions will be second one, but most probably you will be getting in as first question. Okay children, and if you didn't do this paper before, try to do it first and read it, and watch this video, then it will be more useful to you, right? We'll get into the video. 7/15 of the total length of a drain was dug on the first day, and 1/4 of the remaining length was dug on the second day. So what they are telling, they're going to dug a drain. Okay, the total length will be 15, right? With the 15, the first day they dug 7, the portion 7 they finished. With the remaining only, they're going to dug 1/4 second day, right? So 1/4 of the remaining. So of, the word of comes, always remember that of is always we multiplies. You first, what you need to do is, from 7/15 you should subtract from whole this 7/15 and get the answer. With the answer, the remaining, so they're telling the remaining length. So the remaining length, with that you need to multiply this 1/4 and only we can get the second day's dark portion. Okay, right? And okay, we'll go to the first question. At the end of the first day, what fraction of the total length of drain remained to be done? Right, that only I told. So you should know from 1 means total, 1 is whole. If whole come, we should write 1, right? 1 subtraction 7/15, right? From whole drain we're going to subtract 7/15, right? So from 1 means the whole means when the denominator comes to subtract, that same number will be the whole's numerator and denominator. Okay, right? So 15th, this is, we call it whole. If you get it 1/4, like for an example 1/4, you should subtract from 1 means the whole will be, the denominator will be 4, the numerator will be 4. If you get another example, for an example like 2/7, so the whole will be numerator 7, denominator 7. 7/7 will be the whole, right? Now from 15th we're going to subtract 7th, 15th. So what is the remaining part then? What is the remaining part? 8, 15th. Right. What fraction? Okay, second question. What fraction of the total length of the drain was dug on the second day? Right. The question, and 1/4 of the remaining length was dug on the second day. Right. We have remaining here 8/15th to dug. Right. With that, they 1/4 they dug on second day. Right. So we have the remaining length is 8/15th. With 8/15th you should multiply, because of, see, 1/4 of the remaining is 8/15th. With that we need to multiply. Of means multiply 1/4. Okay children, right, we can cut this 4 as one time, we can cut this 8 for 2 times, and 2 ones are 2, 15 ones are 50. So 2/15th only they dug on second day. Right. So first day they dug 7/15th, and second day they dug 2/15th. So totally they dug 9/15th. Okay, are you all clear about that? Right. We'll get into third question. At the end of the first 2 days, a further length of 600 meters of total length of the drain remained to be dug. Find the total length of drain. Right. So the remaining part we have to find. Okay, the remaining part, how will you find the remaining part? The total I told you already. First day they dug 7/15th, and the second day they dug 2/15th. So if we add 9/15th, so we have 9/15th already dug. So what is remaining then? What you need to do? From 1 you should subtract 9/15th. So the answer will be, okay, you know, 1 comes, what you need to do, 15/15th. So 15/15th you should subtract 9/15th. From 15 9 goes means 6 will be remain, the same denominator will come as the answer. Right, this is the remaining. So this 6/15th is equal to what? 600 meter. 600 meters. So 15/1 is what? It means with the 15, 6 portions are 600 meters. So 1 portion will be, so 600 means 600. So 1 means this 600 meters you should divide. You should divide by 6. Then only you will get it for 1 portion. And you should multiply with 15. Why we are multiplying? Because we need to find the total length of the drain. Total length 15/15th. So 6 is equal to 6 portions are equal to 600 meters. So 1 portion we need to divide the 600 by 6, and we should multiply with 15. Then we will get the total. So 100 with 15 you should multiply, then you will be able to get what is the answer? 1500 meters. Right, children, the next question. It has been estimated that 4 men will require 3 days to dig the remaining 600 meters of the drain. How many more men need to be engaged to dig this length in 2 days? So, children, this is we call inverse proportions, right? Inverse proportion means two things will together, but one increases means the other one get decreases. This is about indirect proportions, right? With this, if we go first, we have to find out the magnitude of this work, right? So how we are finding the magnitude of works? This is not fractions, children. This is all about inverse proportions. They have given like that. We couldn't do anything. We have to do this. Okay, this is not related to fractions, right? Okay, right. The magnitude of the work, right? How we are finding man days, right? Man into days. Your already studied this, so just I'm telling, then you will get it the magnitude. So man days is what? 4 into 3. So what is the answer? 4 3s are 12, so the work's magnitude is 12, right? Now what they're telling, with the 2 days, like 2 days, how many men needed? So men we don't know, we will have that x, and what days? 2 days. Same work we should complete with 2 days. So 12 is the magnitude of the work. So x will be, so here multiplying means it will go that side. What will happen? Divide. So 6. So totally, to complete this task within within 2 days means we need 6 men. So what they ask as a question, how many more men need to be engaged to dig this? More men. Already we have how many men? 4. So totally, to complete this task we need 6 men. So extra, how many needed? So or 6 we need, already 4 are there. So answer will be what? 2. So answer will be 2 men needed to be engaged to dig this, right? Okay, if you have any doubts with this, you can comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share with your friends